Happening now, it is the first sign of financial relief for you and your family after years of high interest rates. Today, the Federal Reserve cut its benchmark interest rate at half percentage point for the first time since 2020. And now we're breaking down exactly what that means for you. The last 4 years have forced many of us to tighten our belts. As the price of nearly everything increases, so has the list of worries. You might be asking yourself, how will I be able to take my next car payment? And what about gas to fill the tank so that you can take the kids to school and get to work? Or what about those credit card bills? How can I keep up with the interest? And one of the biggest concerns lately, how to afford the house payment as interest rates climb. And finally, a little relief is on the way. Good evening. I'm Graciela Moreno.
And I'm Warren Armstrong. Thanks for joining us tonight for Action News Live at 5. This is also the largest one-time cut the Fed has made in 16 years. And it could mean a little more freedom for Americans. Action News anchor Nick Garcia is live in Central Fresno tonight with what this move could mean for your wallet or your bank account. Nick?
Well, Warren, Graciela, first and foremost, the first people to see some kind of relief is going to be home buyers. But next, let's talk about the reason we haven't seen a cut from the Fed in 4 years. That was an effort to fight inflation. Now, as inflation has come down and slowed, so has the labor market. That's why the Fed is making the cut now, an effort to stimulate the economy.
We're committed to maintaining our economy's strength by supporting maximum employment and returning inflation to our 2% goal.
The Federal Reserve announced its first cut to its benchmark interest rate in 4 years Wednesday morning. A half a point slash makes this the largest cut in 16 years.
This decision reflects our growing confidence that with an appropriate recalibration of our policy stance, strength in the labor market can be maintained in a context of moderate growth and inflation moving sustainably down to 2%.
This is welcome news to borrowers, though it may take 2 to 3 months to start seeing lower rates. The most immediate relief will be felt by home buyers and those looking to refinance.
Yes, I got phone calls this morning. My phone is ringing off the hook. Basically what it is that we've already known about this is going to happen, and the street hears it later, so there's a lot of excitement.
Paul Salazar has been a loan officer in Fresno for decades. He says he's been anticipating this morning's announcement for months.
That's a huge difference, especially first-time home buyers or people that are trying to refinance. It could be anywhere from a payment being $100 to $300 less on the average.
But your credit card rate will not be impacted as much. This cut will likely only save you $3 a month, and the monthly payment on a car loan will only go down $6 or $8. It is a sign of hope, though.
So I'd always tell my clients, let's just take a cautious approach.
The Fed indicated it will keep a close eye on how this cut impacts the economy and could make more significant cuts over the next year. Now, the Federal Reserve Board will meet again on November 6th and then again in mid-December. Fed Chair Jerome Powell has said that he and his colleagues are not swayed by politics. For now, live in Central Fresno, I'm Nick Garcia, ABC 30 Action News.
Hey, Central California, stay up to date with all the most important news and weather. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to ABC 30 Action News.